Problem number 17 is a decimal multiplication problem, but really it's a place value problem. And it's set up this way to see if you understand place value. So when you take a decimal number and multiply it by a number that's a power of 10, if you understand that 1,000 is 10 to the third power, or 10 times 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100, times 10 is 1,000. And our number system is a base 10 system, which means that if I multiply something times 10, and then 10 again, and then 10 again, we multiply it times 1,000. And so if I take a number like this and multiply it by 1,000, I'm multiplying it by 3 sets of 10. Multiplying it by 10 times 10 times 10, which means the answer is 416. I just moved the decimal point 3 places to the right, because every time I multiply by 10, that multiplies a number, moves the decimal point 1 place. And so really this was a mental math problem. All I had to do was move the decimal point 3 places to the right, because I was multiplying it by 3 multipliers of 10, or 1,000. And so the answer is 416. And that's all I needed to do. I often see students on this problem will rewrite the question like this and go through the whole process of going 6 times 0 is 0, and 0, and 0, and 6, and then put down a 0, although usually this is where mistakes are made, not enough zeros, and then 0, 0, 0, 1, and then another couple zeros, and then 0, 0, 0, 4, and then I'll get 4, 1, 6, 0, 0, 0, and then students are trying to figure out where to put the decimal point, and sometimes they get it in the right place like that. But it would have been a whole lot simpler, rather than doing all of this work, to understand your number system. Multiplying times 1,000 is 3 sets of 10, or 3 places of the decimal point, and you just end up with 416.